Fortnite. Genres: video game, survival mode. Fortnite. The top Fortnite players in the world, 5 of 124. The most popular video games right now, 1189 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans. Zombi. Genres: video game, survival horror. Deadlight. Genres: video game, platform game, survival horror, side-scrolling. Plants vs. Zombies: Garden Warfare 2. Genres: video game, tower defense, third-person shooter. Killing Floor 2. Genres: video game, first-person shooter, survival horror. Dead Nation. Genres: video game, shooter game, shoot 'em up. Call of Duty, Black Ops Roman 3. Genres: video game, first-person shooter. Outlast 2. Genres: video game, survival horror. Dead Rising 4. Genres: video game, action adventure. How to Survive. Genres: video game, action role-playing game. Dead Island Definitive Edition. Genres: video game, action adventure, first-person shooter. Dead Rising 3. Genres: video game, action adventure. State of Decay 2. Genres: video game, survival. How to Survive 2. Genres: video game, action role-playing, survival horror, survival. Zombie Army Trilogy. Genres: video game, tactical shooter, survival horror. 7 Days to Die. Genres: video game, survival horror, crafting. Resident Evil 6. Genres: video game, shooter game, action adventure game, survival horror. Resident Evil Origins Collection. Genres: video game, survival horror. The Evil Within. Genres: video game, survival horror. More The Evil Within, 288 of 1371. The 100 plus best video games of all time, ranked by fans, 112 of 178. The best video game franchises of all time, 14 of 109. The scariest video games of all time. The Last of Us Part Roman 2. Genres: video game, action adventure, survival horror. The Evil Within 2. Genres: video game, surreal horror, third-person shooter. Days Gone. Genres: video game, action adventure, Survival horror more Days Gone 91 of 124 the most popular video games right now 218 of 354 the greatest RPG video games ever made 37 of 55 the most popular adventure games out now. Resident Evil 3 Remake. Genres video game, survival horror. Dying Light, the following. Genres video game, action role-playing, survival horror. Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. Genres video game, survival horror. The Walking Dead, the final season. Genres video game, graphic adventure. The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead. Resident Evil 4. Resident Evil 4. Resident Evil 2 Remake. Resident Evil 2 Remake. The Last of Us. The Last of Us.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.